This video is sponsored by Classic Rummy. Give a missed call to download Classic Rummy app.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா இந்தியா கிளிட்ஸை லைக் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. நிறைய பேர் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாம இந்தியா கிளிட்ஸ் பாக்குறீங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. நம்மள சந்தோஷப்படுத்துற அவங்களையும் நம்ம சந்தோஷப்படுத்துவோம். Thank you.
உங்களோட சாங் கேட்கும் காத்தோட காத்தாக எல்லாமே பண்றீங்க, டான்ஸ் ஆடுறீங்க, சாங் பாடுறீங்க, பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்றீங்க, டயலாக்ஸ் எல்லாமே ஒரு படம் ஃபுல்லா நடிக்கிறீங்க. Is there anything else that you can't do?
I enjoy doing these things and maybe I'm just lucky but I'm so happy that song did so well.
சாங் கேட்டிட்டு தனுஷ் என்ன சொன்னாரு? அவர் கூட வர்க் பண்ணும்போது அவர் ஏதாவது இன்புட்ஸ் கொடுத்தாரா உங்களுக்கு?
Dhanush and I recorded separately. He wasn't at all a part of my recording. I remember telling GV, don't make me sing because I'm not a professional. He was like, no, but I want you to sing this song, will suit you, sing it, you'll like it.
எங்களுக்காக ஒரு 2 lines.
காத்தோடு காத்தானே கண்ணே மோச்சானே நீரோடு நீரானே ஓ கூட நீனானே.
இந்த இயர் பேக் டு பேக் உங்களோட ரெண்டு படங்கள் வந்து OTT ரிலீஸ் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு. எப்படி இருக்கு உங்களுக்கு?
The kind of response is much more than I expected. Me and Nani, like Sahiba and Vishnu and Sahiba, and it's just really so nice. It feels so good.
Very few actors have seen Mani Ratnam and Mishkin sir also, so you're one among them. What makes you to come back to Kollywood again and again?
Oh my God, the love, the people have been so kind.
Hi Aditi, எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
நல்லா இருக்கீங்க. You?
நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? செமையா இருக்கேன். இந்த இயர் பேக் டு பேக் உங்களோட ரெண்டு படங்கள் வந்து OTT ரிலீஸ் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு. எப்படி இருக்கு உங்களுக்கு?
Very happy with the response to both of them. Sufiyam Sujatim and V, made for the theater, especially V, is a big theater audience film. So I was a little nervous about the whole OTT release and all, but for a second, the link goes up and the entire world can see the film. And all the response from all over the world that I've gotten is like so overwhelming. I expected people to like the film. I thought that people will like it. It's a well-made, tight thriller with a very strong emotional core. But the kind of response is much more than I expected. And the kind of response to me and Nani, like Sahiba and Vishnu and Sahiba, and it's just really so nice. It feels so good. Because otherwise the people are like, why did you, like, I was like, sometimes there's that small fear that people will say 15 minutes in a film, why did you do it? But nobody's asking this question. They're like, we're so happy you did the film, it's so beautiful, it's so this, it's so that, we love Sahiba and Vishnu. So
yeah, உங்களோட சாங் கேட்கும் காத்தோட காத்தாக உங்களால எல்லாமே பண்றீங்க, டான்ஸ் ஆடுறீங்க, சாங் பாடுறீங்க, பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்றீங்க, டயலாக்ஸ் எல்லாமே ஒரு படம் ஃபுல்லா நடிக்கிறீங்க. Is there anything else that you can't do?
I enjoy doing these things and maybe I'm just lucky that I'd never learned to sing, but my mother sings. She sings classical music, so I maybe got that as a gift from her. And dance, of course, I've learned from Leela Samson. But I'm so happy that song did so well. I was so happy. It's also a very nice song.
But அந்த சாங் கேட்டிட்டு தனுஷ் என்ன சொன்னாரு? அவர் கூட வர்க் பண்ணும்போது அவர் ஏதாவது இன்புட்ஸ் கொடுத்தாரா உங்களுக்கு?
Dhanush and I recorded separately.
Okay.
And so he wasn't at all a part of my recording. GV was there. So GV helped me, especially with language and internet, like little, like, the gamakas and whatever that I needed to put. So he helped me with that. But I remember telling GV, don't make me sing because I'm not a professional. He was like, no, but I want you to sing this song, will suit you, sing it, you'll like it. And I said, okay, but don't do this auto-tune and all, because, so many actors end up singing with auto-tune, and then I feel like, what is the point, So that is one condition that I had to not.
எங்களுக்காக ஒரு 2 லைன் அதுல இருந்து காத்தோட பாட முடியுமா? I'm not going to compel you, but if it's possible, எங்களுக்காக ஒரு 2 lines.
காத்தோடு காத்தானே கண்ணே மோச்சானே நீரோடு நீரானே ஓ கூட நீனானே.
நீங்க அந்த கீழ கமெண்ட்ஸ் பாத்தீங்கன்னா everyone are praising you here in Kollywood with your voice, and they're expecting you to sing more songs here. Can we expect that from you?
If I get something nice, 100% I'll sing it. I enjoyed it. I've always been a little shy to sing, and I've always been a little afraid. But um, Rahman sir, I sang Van live with Rahman sir at the MetLife Stadium in the US, and that is a very huge stadium, and there were a lot of people, and I was so nervous because Rahman sir does not let you do -1. He does not let you pre-record. You have to sing live. I was so nervous, but once I did that, I was like, now I can manage.
எப்படி நீங்க உங்க ரியாக்ஷன்ஸ் கூட எல்லாம் ஒவ்வொரு வாட்டியும் டிஃபரெண்டா கொண்டு வரீங்க? when you get to see this Malayalam film, it's a totally different character. When we see V, it's totally different character. And I don't know whether you'll be I mean, I really want to see that you're doing like this when somebody asks the age in the film. அது எங்களுக்காக ஒரு வாட்டி.
That they actually, the director asked me, how can you say 22 in a sweet way? So I was like, okay, because I'm a dancer, I'll do something. You see if you like it. So then I did.
Thank you Aditi. And V பார்த்துட்டு உங்களுக்கு இண்டஸ்ட்ரியில வர அப்ரிசியேஷன் பத்தி சொல்லுங்க. எத்தனை பேர் உங்களுக்கு கால் பண்ணாங்க?
Yeah, there has been a lot of appreciation from Hindi, from the Tamil, from and within the industry, it's Telugu also, and people I don't know have also got my number and texted me, and it's very very sweet because again it's like it's a small it's like in duration it's small, but I feel like it's touched people that love stories. So it makes me feel so happy. There's a kind of validation of your choice and of what you thought, and so you feel very happy about it. Also, it's a very special film in many ways, and so because of that, I feel so happy about it.
Very few actors have seen Maniratnam and Mishkin sir also, so you're one among them. At the same time, you do films in Bollywood as well. What makes you to come back to Bollywood again and again?
Oh my God, the love that I've gotten, and the fact that I've gotten to work with such incredible directors. So whether it is Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, or Hindi, the people have been so kind to me. I am there because of them, and I'm there because of the people that I have worked with, the directors, the actors, the kind of love, support, and acceptance that I've got. And trust me, the love that you get it really puts you on a high.
And back-to-back love subject choose பண்ணி நடிச்சிட்டு இருக்கீங்க. Can we expect thriller? I mean, we already saw you in thriller and Psycho. Can we expect some action-oriented roles from you? Scripts?
Nobody gives me any action scripts. I think they think I'm too tiny. They don't give me only. But I would like to explore action also. But I would like it to be more like lyrical, like dance action almost. Like Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon, or something like that. But having said that, honestly, I'm a sucker for love stories. I love love stories, and I think that I really enjoy doing them. So those are the scripts I usually look out for. Like
So
even in
one-
a action film, at the core, it has to be a love story. Even in a thriller, the core has to be a love story. Because I think everything happens because of love. There is no story without love. After that, no lyrics.
இதுவே போதுங்க. இதுவே போதும். And one biopic you want to be part of?
I believe in Tamil only there was going to be a story about M.S. Subbalakshmi and Bala Saraswati. I would love to do something like that because of my connection to music and dance.
இந்த பர்టిక్యులர் டைரக்டரோட மூவில எல்லாமே பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒவ்வொரு கேரக்டருக்கும் வந்து ரொம்பவே அழகா characterization இருக்கும். Your character was really beautiful, and I watched the movie twice, and it was really really nice. And which was the most difficult part for you while shooting?
I think these kinds of characters are tough. I'll tell you why. Because the entire film rests on the love and and in the audience believing in the love of Vishnu and Saiba, literally. The audience must understand her sacrifice, and the audience must understand Vishnu's love for Sahiba, that he does everything that he does, which means they have to really believe that this is a pure love. It is an inseparable love, that they should always be together, and that justice must happen for Sahiba, and for her sacrifice, and for her heroism. So I find that these kind of roles can be challenging. When I'm performing it, I don't feel like that. But later, just before release, I'm like, oh God, it's quite a lot of pressure actually. And also what happens is when you're shooting and it's such a short duration, I didn't know Nani when I started shooting. I'd only seen his work. I knew he's a very, very good actor. But we have to convince an audience that this is, like I said, this is an ideal, pure, perfect love in a few minutes. That is a huge challenge. Um, and the other challenge, of course, for me was that Mohan sir, the first day of shoot was the climax. Like
Okay.
walked onto set and they slit my throat, literally. So I'm doing the climax, which is basically the whole reveal of the entire plot of the film on the first day of shoot. So it was quite a challenge, but not when I'm shooting. I'm not thinking of it like that. I only realize it when I'm giving the interviews. So I feel those kinds of things are challenging. But because of the way Mohan sir writes, because of the way he directs, because of the kind of actor Nani is, I feel that it was very effortless shooting this film. In fact, like I felt it was a breeze almost.
So when talking with Nani, he said that Aditi has to be in the frame. Everything will be conveyed with her expressions itself. And when was your first take which happened for this particular film?
Nani and I did the house portions first. So imagine we barely know each other, okay, barely. We've only met each other for the readings for a few minutes, and we are doing a sequence where the two are already married and madly in love with each other. Okay, that is the first sequence we are doing. So, but I don't know. Like Nani is the kind of actor. Again, I have a lot of admiration for Nani, and I've seen his work. But very often when when you've seen an actor and you've seen their work and then you meet them, you're like, they don't live up to what you thought about them. But Nani lives up to it and more. Like he's very inspiring, and I think my respect for Nani went up very more. I really like. I'm such a fangirl of Nani's. Like I gush about him a lot because he's that kind of actor. He's that name that the Telugu audience gives him, natural star Nani, suits him perfectly. He's so effortless, so natural. And apart from being a very good artist, and he has a director's brain, and he has a 360 understanding of cinema. That helps a lot. And he has passion. He's a team spirit kind of actor. His attitude is beautiful. He has no arrogance, very humble. And he's so excited, like a kid, about his work. And I'm the same. So in a way, we bonded instantly because we were so similar. Like we were literally, it was looking at somebody who's exactly like you. So it was a very effortless kind of connection that we built, and it really helped because otherwise it would have been impossible to shoot that song. It would have been so difficult because the two of us have to be so comfortable with each other. So yeah.
2020 there's so much of everyone going through so much of issues, but this 2020, the career wise, it's been so promising for you. What we can expect from you in 2021?
I have some interesting films to look forward to, which some of which I've started shooting, some of which I'm going to start shooting. So yeah, there's some stuff. I'm reading more scripts, wondering how to create more days in a year so I can do everything that I want to do. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Aditi, and lots of love from the India Glitz, and all the very best for your upcoming projects.
Thank you. Nice chatting with you after a long time.
Long time, yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Register and get up to rupees 5,500 welcome bonus.